Let me show you how you can actually recharge using your MTN virtual card, your Meyo account. So here we go. You open it, and then you make sure that, because mostly when you open your Meyo app, the tab which is active is the one which is in the bottom left corner. So activate the one which is in the bottom right corner by tapping on it. Then click where it says recharge. And you're gonna have some options from here. There's 0.39, 0.99. Okay, so we go by the second one, 0.99. Click that. Okay, so if there is one that you've been using, there's a card that you've attached to your Google Pay and you've been using it, it will pop up automatically. So let's check. There are even those others that we have here, those which are expired, so we can add a new one. If we want, we can go by the first one because that one is still active. If we want to update a new one, we can actually update them by simply clicking update. So we're gonna add a new one. Okay, so here you need to punch in the first 14 PAN digits plus the 4 PAN digits that you were sent in the messages. Okay, so now we can actually tap buy. Okay, so they're saying payment successful. And there's the message, successfully deducted from your card. That's the money they have deducted. So now you can go back and check the balance. Okay, beautiful. So as you can see now, they're saying that congratulations, you get the recharge bonus, 30 gold plus the 2-day VIP. So friends, that's how we do it, just like that.